Alright y'all, it's day 7 of me having COVID and we're gonna go out for a little drive with my friends. I feel perfectly fine. At this point I'm kind of just waiting to get a negative test result, which is kind of hard because like what the hell do I do, right? But I'm gonna go out because I need to get out the house, because just being stuck in my room, guys, for 7 days, it's honestly, I feel like it does more damage than actual COVID itself. Okay, that may be different for different people, you know, every situation is different, but at least for me, just sticking in my room is low-key kind of depressing, and I hate being stuck in that room, man, and I just need to get out. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the G35, meet up with my friends, and enjoy life a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and start up the G35. Hopefully it's running good. Let's see here. Hopefully it starts first time. It struggled, but it's doing better. It's doing better than how it was before. Alright guys, we're on the road to Davis, California. We're going back to my old university. It's a beautiful, beautiful town. I love it. It's one of the best towns, and the only reason why I don't go there often as now is because Davis is a very, very small town and there's a lot of cops. So, but right now I'm kind of risking the ball right now. I'm gonna skip the ball and hold on, I gotta go for you guys. Beautiful town. It's just that it's really small. It's got a lot of cops, but in the summer it's like one of the best places to go to, especially as a teen, because there's so many college students. There's so much fun opportunities out there. So right now we're gonna head out to a place, a designated place. We're gonna go to a parking garage to shoot some videos, some TikToks, some Instagram pictures, but I guess my friend found another spot, and so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. See what it's like. But then I pray to God, guys, smash the like button, please, for me. Smash the like button that we do not get pulled over today. It is nighttime. I'm with a friend, so hopefully we're in good hands. We're in good hands, but let's hope for the best. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to the UC Davis parking lot. Let's see if I don't scrape here. I always used to scrape here. Hell yeah, dude. We don't want to make any noise here, because if you make any noise right here and you set off an alarm, the cops will come in less than 5 minutes and come get your ass. You don't believe me right now, but it's so true. Woo, that just sounds nice. So just like fold your hands. But let me see it one more time.
Okay. So once I look at the camera, you have to switch to moving. Oh,
that beat drop. That's all you, and then the beat drop, it's me. Okay, so one more time. Just kind of look away. This is behind the scenes. Behind the scenes.
Or like a 45?
Oh, okay. Alright, let's see it.
Alright.
Action! Ooh, that was kind of loud. Alright guys, well hopefully you guys enjoyed that little very small YouTube video, and here's a sneak peek for the next video we recorded people's reactions. Add me, here's a sneak peek. I actually went there because I wanted Costco hot dogs and there wasn't any. They closed at the exact time that I got there. Freaking asshole. Anyways guys, I'm feeling a lot better. We took another COVID test and we're still slightly positive, but it's fading away. It's fading. Let me show you guys and then I'll end the video. 4 days after getting it. This is 6 days after getting it. This is 7 days after getting it. And then this is today. But you can see it's faded. That second line right there is faded. These are really marked, but that one's kind of fading, which means that maybe in 2 more days, obviously there's 2 more days till the job week is done, so Thursday, Friday, and then you take the weekend off. So hopefully Monday when we get back to work, we're gonna be good, solid. Monday we're getting back to work and hopefully we'll be 100% negative and we'll be chilling. So I'm excited for that. I can finally involve myself into society again. Oh my god, this COVID thing is a nightmare. But anyways guys, feel free to give the video a thumbs up, comment out what you guys think about the video, and I will catch you guys next video with those people's reactions. I'll catch you guys next video guys. Peace out, stay safe out there, do not get COVID, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.